Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Yesterday, in the first reading, we heard the story of the death of David. But before he died, before he breathed his last, he told his son Solomon, who will be his successor, to obey God, keep the mandate of the Lord. And today, from the book of Sirach, we heard what we normally do when a good person passes away, an eulogy. Kapag may namatay tayong kilala, kaibigan, kamag-anak, mahal sa buhay na mabuti, we are trying to recall the good deeds that he has done. Alam nyo, ngayon ko lang nalaman sa dami ng pumupunta sa burol, ang bait pala ng asawa ko, ang dami pala niyang natulungan. O kaya sinasabi ninyo, nung ang tatay ko nabubuhay pa, alam ko marami siyang ginagawa para sa ibang tao pero hindi niya pinagsasabi. Pinupuri natin ang nagawang mabuti nung taong pumanaw. Our first reading is something like that. And David, in the first reading, was described, doing many things. He was a good king. He fought on behalf of his people. In fact, even before he became king, he fought for the side of Israel by killing Goliath. So sinabi din yun sa unang pagbasa. At sabi pa nga, he composed many songs. Do you know that the psalms that we used, the responsorial psalm, the psalms in the liturgy, all 150 psalms that we find in the Bible were written by King David. Isa siyang composer. Hindi lamang mabuting hari, hindi lamang mahusay na mandirigma, isa ring mahusay na kompositor. Of course, David has his faults. Lahat naman ng tao may mga nagagawang masama. He was an adulterer. He was a murderer. But the first reading said he was forgiven by the Lord for all his sins. The Lord forgave him his sins and exalted his strength forever. But you know, my dear brothers and sisters, among the many things that were said of David in the first reading, one thing stands out. And this is, with his whole being, he loved his Maker. With his whole being, he loved his Maker. Sa dinami-dami na sinabi tungkol kay David, yon ang pinaka-importante. Minahal niya ang lumikha sa kanya. Minahal niya ng kanyang buong buhay ang Diyos. I wonder, what do we wish people to say about us when we die? Kung mabalitaan nyo kayang namatay na ako, ano kayang sasabihin ninyo? Natatandaan ko na si Monsignor Rolly buhay pa, no? Ang sungit niyan Yun, ganon. Hindi ngumingiti. Yun, ganon ba? Anong gusto nyong sabihin ng mga tao kapag namatay na kayo? Sana, kapag namatay tayo, ang sasabihin ng mga tao, minahal niya ang Diyos ng buong buhay niya. David was God's lover. Was God's lover. Pag namatay tayo, hindi naman mahalaga yung titulo Yung mga titles natin, yung mga naipon natin, yung mga accomplishments natin. Ni hindi nga importante kung ilan yung followers natin no? Di ba? Kundi kung sino ang ating pina-follow. What is important is not the number of our followers, but whom we follow. And so, my dear brothers and sisters, today, from the first reading, describing the life of David, we are being given a goal, an end goal. Sana ito yung ating pangarapin na kapag tayong lahat ay namatay, masabi din sa atin, with his whole being, he loved his Maker. Amen.